Seniors every day for your generation.
Hi, everybody. Thanks so much for joining us. Our visit today is in Lincoln at Complete Family Dermatology. Dr. Geoff Basler is our guest. Doc, good to see you.
Good to see you too, Jack.
Older folks very often will feel some rough patches on their face and hands. What exactly is that?
Well, those are typically what we call keratoses. They're little benign growths on the surface of the skin.
Is there any difference in them?
Well, there's usually two types. There's benign ones that tend to be the kind of brown or tan colored ones that are just kind of velvety and stuck on the surface of the skin, and then precancers, which are a little sharper and have more of a sandpapery feel.
Well, let's talk about those precancerous. What can be done?
Well, there's a lot of different options. Basically, I evaluate each one individually by the way they look and how they feel, and determine whether they need to be removed under local anesthesia or treated with what we call liquid nitrogen, a real cold spray that helps them peel off.
But they can be contained.
Oh, absolutely. They, the thing with those precancers are the more of them that you have and the longer that they're there, the more likely one of them might turn into a squamous cell skin cancer. So we do like to be ahead of them and treat them early.
Well, what causes all this?
Well, as with most things, sunlight can cause those. So people that have spent a lot of time in the sun or even just had a few sunburns when they're kids, when they, time goes by, they can start to pop up.
Sunlight, and what about just age?
Well, birthdays definitely help out with those too, no doubt about it.
Should we be worried about them?
Well, generally, they're nothing to lose any sleep over, but if they are left in place for long enough, they can turn into something more serious for sure.
How can I watch for those?
Well, looking at your own skin's a good idea. If you feel something that's not healing, getting a little sore, sensitive, give us a call.
Dr. Geoff Basler of Complete Family Dermatology. Thank you so much for being with us. I'm Jack Frost, and I want to remind you, it is not how old you are, it's how you are old.
Visit SeniorsEveryday.com for helpful advice from local experts, information on community events, and much more.